5-minute trick to spot common grammar mistakes in your writing. Welcome to Ranjit's C. Lasses. In this video, I will teach you a 5-minute trick that will help you spot common grammar mistakes in your writing. We all know how important it is to have proper grammar in our everyday communication, whether it's writing an email, a report, or even a social media post. But sometimes, these mistakes can go unnoticed. Don't worry, we've got you covered. By following our simple trick, you'll be able to quickly identify and rectify grammar errors, making your writing more effective and professional. Are you ready? Let's get started. Grammar mistakes. Writing tips. Grammar errors. Grammar improvement. Effective communication. Explaining the trick. In the 5-minute trick we are about to show you involves breaking down your writing into smaller sections and analyzing them individually. This method will allow you to focus on each sentence independently, making it easier to identify any potential grammar mistakes. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Divide your writing into sections. The first step is to divide your writing into manageable sections. This can be done by either paragraph or by sentence, depending on your preference. Breaking it down will allow you to concentrate on one section at a time, rather than being overwhelmed by the entire piece of writing. Step 2. Analyze each section. Once you have divided your writing into sections, it's time to analyze each one individually. Start by reading the section out loud. This will help you identify any sentences that sound awkward or unclear. Pay close attention. Step 3. Use grammar tools. After analyzing each section, it's time to bring in some grammar tools that can assist you in spotting mistakes. There are several online resources and software available that can help you identify grammar errors, such as incorrect verb usage, pronoun errors, or incorrect sentence structure. Remember, these tools are meant to support your writing skills, not to depend on entirely. Step 4. Proofread and edit. Once you've completed the previous steps, it's time to proofread and edit your writing. Read through the sections you missed earlier. Pay attention to spelling, punctuation, and make changes, as this is how you improve your grammar skills. Outro **. Congratulations! You just learned a 5-minute trick to spot common grammar mistakes in your writing. By dividing your writing into sections, analyzing them, using grammar tools, and proofreading, you'll be able to significantly improve your grammar skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and keep implementing this trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.